friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox MI4 smart band. So this is a product I bought from Amazon.com. So let's begin unboxing. Yeah, it comes with this AMOLED color touchscreen, and so the color full touch display and music controls, and the heart rate monitor, and waterproof up to 50 meter, and also the music control. So these are the configurations. The price they mentioned in the box is around yeah, 2499. Yeah, let's see like what are the contents inside the box. Okay, and usually I'm very big fan of MI. Actually, I have a lot of MI products. Let's see what's inside the box. We don't have anything in the box. That's all about the box. Let's see what's inside. Here's a actual band. Okay. Now initially actually it will not do anything. Actually we need to charge it to make it work. Okay, you'll see that it comes with this charging cable. Okay, so we'll keep it for a charge, and I'm going to remove it right now. Yeah, this is how we keep the charge. It has to align this way inside the box, and connect to another charger. Let me connect. Yes guys, I just connected to my CPU USB socket, so it's charging now. We'll do a full kind of comparison with the MI band 3 with this one once the charge get completed. Hello friends, so now we'll see how to configure this MI band 4 smart band 4. Okay, so this one yeah, we need to pair it first. Charge was not there, so I charged it. So now I just need to pair. So before this I need to open this MI fit app. So after opening this MI fit app, you need to go to profiles. I could see this is like I need to unpair right now because I already configured for MI 4 MI 3 band. So now it's yeah, it's asking confirmation. I just unpaired it. Okay, it's now unpaired it, so I just need to pair it again. Yeah, for that so you just need to pair it. So I'm going to add devices, go to that open my fit app, so go to profile and click on add devices, then go to select the band, and you need to make sure you should not keep any kind of old bands first, because it will try to pair with that one. So you need to keep only your MI4 band. So it says separate the device. Okay, and click on yes. So it says paired successfully. So once it's paired, it's clearing, also getting confirmation. Now it's saying that setting the previous device will be restored after you replace the device. It's doing some kind of restore band settings, because whatever that the band settings I have in my previous app, actually this band will be locked when it's removed from the wrist. Okay, the band will be liquid, okay, locked when you remove from the wrist. That's fine. It's like multiple sports mode or enabled, supported. I don't like the next one is a band something. Okay, it's crashed now again. Okay, I'll open it again. It's not a problem. So it's now trying to update, actually the software. It's trying to update. I feel the light is kind of a little bit dim, not sure what's the reason. Yeah, so it's trying to connect the band. So there are a lot of clocks actually. Just want to use some kind of this cat. The light is very dim. I just want to make sure. It's when you download that faces, right? Watch faces, actually it's also syncing with this one. Here also we see the syncing option, but that is kind of dim. You can see it right now. Yeah, you can see the face. So maybe I just need to increase the brightness or something. Just I think I noticed this after you mm, turn on this night mode, right? The brightness is very low. I'm turning off right now. So as soon as I turn off this brightness, it's like it's coming to normal one. So coming to band displays, actually there are multiple faces you can keep. I'm trying to keep this one. For it, guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others, and also subscribe my channel. And I'm going to post a lot of other MI4 band tricks and how to change a lot of configurations in the next video. So please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.